Welcome to the second annual Mpi Virtual Summit. This is a clinically based and workshop-based summit that will provide a workshop type forum for you to enhance your clinical skills and or use as a reference to your current clinical practice. It is MPI's goal to help make you the best clinicians that you can possibly be to help serve your patients at the highest of levels. The instructors are world-class, and the collaborations that we have been able to work into the virtual summit should help you enhance your clinical experience and give you some great clinical references. Thank you for showing interest in the virtual summit, and we'll hope to see you on July 10th and 11th.
What's the theme to being a good adjuster? Got to get it to end range, right? So I got to get it at end range here. Just across.